Hello friends, my name is Naeem, and in this video I'm going to make this beautiful slide, and I'm going to show you step by step how can you make this in PowerPoint. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing it. So let's start our today's tutorial. I'm using PowerPoint 2019 and let's start. So the first step, what I'm going to do, I'm clicking outside the presentation area, right click. I'm going to format background. I'll go to solid color and then I will select this color. I'll close this now, and the second step, I'm going to shapes. You can have access from the home tab, or if you don't see, then you go to insert and you find it here. So let's select this rounded rectangle shape and draw it here. So if you can see this orange bubble, I'll pick this and make it more rounded shape. Okay, so I will copy and paste it here, and I will place it in this way, which is slightly lower than the left side. I'll push this a little bit upward. Okay, so pasting another one, and then I'm pasting one more. So I'll paste several to fill the space. Okay, let me have a look. That's fine. So I will select all and I will remove the outline, and I'll just go back and see everything is fine here. So these two are slightly away, and let me connect it to each other. Okay, that looks fine now. One more look. Okay, so this is perfect now. So I'm selecting and grouping them all together and making slightly smaller. I'm holding the shift key so I don't lose the shape. So I'll make another copy, Control C and Control V, and I'll place it here. I'll go to format and I will just rotate it to flip it to horizontal. Then I will place it together. Okay, so I will select as a whole and I'll place it here. So the next step, I will go to more properties of this shape fill. I'll click here and I'll go to picture or texture fill. Okay, so I wanted to fill this image, which I have tried it before, so let me show you how you can do it. Go to insert and then from a file, and I have image here. When you say OK, and you will have this image here inside the shape that we have just created. So I'll do a little bit more. I'll go to shape effects and I will add this shade, which is all around the shape, and I'll go more and I'll add glow effect, and I'll choose this one, so which gives me a little bit kind of extra yellow shadow, and also a shadow which is a gray color. So let's close this, and I have now we have created this. Now let's fill the text here. I have some text on the next slide. Copy this all and I will paste here. So let me do a little bit arrangement here. I'll fill white color here and also white color here. I'll try to keep it in the middle, and one last effect. I'll remove the outline and I fill this color. Okay, I'll bring this to front. So if you notice something, that we have this area outside of the slide, what you can do, you can keep a border here. Anyway, it will not be visible when you play it in the full presentation mode. So let's have a look. This is what we have created, a beautiful slide. If you like it, please let me know in the comment section and share it with your friends. Thank you and see you in next video. Bye bye.